hearty congratulations to the Government of Goa, led by Honorable Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Samant, for inviting for this 11 years of completion of Sankalp Siddhi and inviting Canara Bank for the Felicitation program. We are very glad and proud enough to receive the Best Performance Award under Atal Pension Yojana, PM Swanidhi and PM Jandhan Yojana, the flagship schemes of Government of Goa, and which we are taking to grassroots level through the Government of Goa initiative like Soy Sampurna, and reaching to the each panchayat level, mapping all the panchayats to our branches, 69 branches in the Goa. We are have the well presence of both North Goa, South Goa, with the regional office at Panji, with the business of 16,000 crore. And today I am honored to have our general manager, Mr. H.K. Gangadhar sir from Manipal, who is accompanied me. I accompanied him to receive this prestigious felicitation and award from on behalf of the Government of Goa.
On the outside, I would like to thank the Government of Goa for recognizing the work of Canara Bank and giving the prestigious award and recognizing us on this day, 11th year of the successful saga of the Viksit Bharat Government of India under the leadership of visionary Sri Narendra Modi ji and Sri Pramod Samant ji at Goa. We are very proud that we are at the grassroots and we are catering to the grassroots, and it is very we are very honored to have this award on this day, and we are committed for the development of the overall Goa and the country in particular. We are very happy that our works are being recognized. Thank you very much.